Okay, so now I am going to run the code using these test cases right here. I am going to choose silicon. Now if I go back to my MATLAB, when I'm running the code, I will also show you the data validations, so I can just run it one time. If I run the section, which type of solar panel would you like to calculate the cost for? So here we did a data validation. If the user chose nothing, so if I just cancel out, it will pop up again until I choose an element. And as you can see here, it says warning, the menu was exited without a choice being selected, please select an element. So okay, let me choose silicon for my test case. So I chose silicon. Now it says enter the watt size you would like to use. So we also have a data validation for this. And if it's below 0 or above 300, it should repeat. So say I put -5, for example. So it says warning, please enter a positive value only. Okay, so say I put 350. It says please enter a watt size less than 300. Okay, so let's go with our test case, which is 50. So I went with our test case and it outputted like the code should. It outputted that one panel of this wattage will cost $51. Now it asks me how big is the roof you want to use in feet squared. So here we also have a data validation for this. If I enter anything that is not a positive number, so if I enter -6, it will tell us warning, please enter a positive value for the roof size. So here I'm gonna use the test case and enter 185.8 feet squared. And when I enter that, what happened here, it basically it outputted that the average size of a solar panel is 0.0084 meters squared per watt. So for this roof, you will need 41 silicon solar panels. So it told me that for my roof size, I need 41 silicon solar panels. And with panels of 50 wattage, you will need 41 silicon solar panels to cover 17.261 meter squared roof, and it will cost $2,096.03. So here we inputted our roof size in feet squared, and then using the call function, it converted it into meter squared, as you can see here. And then it gave us the cost as being $2,096. After that, the code outputted it gave us a menu input asking which state are you closest to or live in. So for this, let me go back. Okay, so for this test case, there's no data validation for this. This is pretty straightforward. So there was no need for a data validation. We said the state we would in the test case we would choose Texas. So I click on Texas here, and then it gives me in Texas you saved $4,857. And then it asks me how many years are you expecting to use solar cells. I input in the text case it says 4, so I'm gonna input 4, enter, gives me the graph, the state average cost, and my cost. So basically it tells me over the 4 years how much I would be saving compared to the state average cost. And then it asks me, do you want to try other values? If I say yes, you can see the code repeated again. So this time I won't do data validations. I'll just go through the second test case using CIGGS material. So click this, enter the watt size you would like to use. The watt size